Welcome to Learning Point. In the previous video, we have created three fragments: images fragment, videos fragment, and files fragment, and inflated the regarding views over there. In this video, we are going to create adapter for them just to manage all three fragments, and which fragment will be displayed just for that functionality. First of all, go to Tablayout and right click on it and create a new Java class and name it for example view pager adapter, and press OK. And here we need to extend it from, I guess, view pager, no, not from view pager, let me see. Okay, so extend it from fragment pager adapter right there. And it is, as you know, it is showing some error. So error is that it's an abstract class from which we are inheriting from, and we need to implement these methods. So for that, just press Alt plus Enter on the keyboard and implement methods. And these are the two methods which needs to be implemented, so just go for that. And the other thing is, now if you do this, that there is no default constructor available in there, that it means that we need to create a constructor for it. Just Alt Enter it on it and create constructor matching super. So right there, the constructor is also created for us by Android Studio. So first of all, create two array lists, one for each of the fragment we have created. So it should be of type of fragment, so that we can manage all the fragments. Next, create another array list of type strings in order to manage the names of these fragments. Fragment names. Okay, alright. So in the fragment.get item, you need to return is fragments dot get that item whose ID is there. So in get count fragments dot size, you need to just return this. Another method which we need to override is get page title. Just write get page title, and it is right there. So just select from it and just override it. And for that, you need to return is names, fragment names dot get I, not I, get position, which we are getting from there as an argument. So it's alright, perfect. Another method we need to add. The requirement for that method is just to fill up this array. We have created an array, but it is empty, it has no elements. So in order to put elements in this array, also in this array, we need to create a function. So I'm going to create public void add elements. For example, you could give any name, whatever you like. And in add elements, I'm going to have two arguments, a fragment, so that of type fragment, so that I can add it in the fragment array. And next, the name of the fragment, it will be of type string name, for example fragment name. So in here, you need to just do this two lines of code: fragments dot add, and pass it fragment. That's it. And next, in fragment names array list, add fragment name. Perfect. So our adapter is completed. So next, our view pager adapter is completed. Next we need to just manage all these things which we have created. So first of all, just create two objects. First of view pager, and next should be, and press alt enter in order to import the view pager class. And next needs to be the tab layout, and name it as whatever you like, and just initialize these two views. First of all, I'm going to initialize view pager is equal to find view by id r dot resources dot id dot view pager id. Right there, just press Ctrl D in order to duplicate the line and just name it tab layout, and here tab layout, the idea of that. Alright, perfect. So all these three views are initialized. So first of all, we need to create the object of the adapter we have just created. So for that, view pager adapter, the name of that class is equal to new view pager adapter. As you might know that in the constructor of it, here we need to pass an argument of fragment manager. So just call a function here gets support fragment manager. So it will get the fragment manager and will be passed to it. Next, we need to add elements to the array. Elements will be those the fragments we have already created. For example, videos fragment, images, files fragment. So for that, view pager adapter dot add element, the function we created for adding the elements in the array. Just add element using that, and use here new for example, first fragment images fragment, and comma its name. For example, its name is images. Just reach the end of line and just press Ctrl D 2 times in order to duplicate the same lines 2 times, and here name it videos fragment. Videos fragment, and name it should be videos, for example, and files fragment, files right there. So we have added all the elements in the array now. Our array is also ready. So next thing is that we need to set this view pager adapter to the view pager right there. So for that, view pager dot set adapter, and here view pager adapter. Alright, next line will be to set this view pager to that tab layout. For that, tab layout dot set with view pager. Select this, press enter, and select the, and just enter the view pager. And now everything is done. Now it's time to run the project. So for that, I'm going to run it on Nexus 5 API level 21. So Gradle build is running. So project is about to launch. Here we go, and that's perfect. So now we have 3 fragments out there: images fragment, videos fragment, and files fragment. One thing you might have noticed that the background of these 3 fragments is white. I think this need to match the background of tab layout. So this is a little mistake over there, and now see right there how good it is working. So these fragments are created. So for that, just go to our activity main and just go to Tablayout and make its background color primary. That's alright, perfect. So now its color will be changed, and let it launch again. So it is going to be launched very soon. Here we go. So now see, it's perfect. So you will be noticing that when I select this, it has a little tint over there. The color of it is for now red. If you want to change the color, this is actually the color accent, so you can change it from there. Now if you select images, it get bold. If you want to change the color, if you want to match the color what the color is here in tint, then what you need to do is just here select selected color. There we go, tab selected color, and just make it color accent. So when the that will be selected, it will be changed. So let me launch again. Here we go. When this is images selected, its color is red. Here videos are selected, red file. Okay, thanks for watching this video series, and we have created a nice little tab layout example. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and in the next videos we will be working on loading these, for example images over here, videos over here, and files over here. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.